Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Student, this is lecture number 9. In previous lecture, we discussed about the Muslim biology in the field of biology. It means non-Muslim biologist. Non-Muslim biologist, so little bit and the work of biology. So here are scientists and other biologists. Number 1 is William Harvey. Number 2, Galileo. Number 3, Robert Hooke. Number 4, Louis Pasteur. Number 5, Schleiden and Schwann. And number 6 is E. Jenner. E. Jenner. So, what was the work of William Harvey? Number 1, William Harvey, born in 1578 and died 1657, described the circulation of the blood. William Harvey also described the circulation of the blood, how the blood circulate into the body, and mainly the circulation of the blood. Understand, dear student? And number 2 is Galileo. These are the most prominent and very influenced scientists of the biology field. So Galileo invented microscope to examine small organisms. Do you know about microscope? Galileo invented the microscope. What microscope is the device that used to see the microscopic organism, those things that we cannot see with the naked eye. That is a great invention of Mr. Galileo. Number 3 is Robert Hooke. Number 3 is Robert Hooke, 1665. Discovered the cell, the basic unit of living organisms. Our previous classes, also in the class 6 and 7, you got information about the cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. That cell of living organism is discovered from Robert Hooke from a cork of bottle. A great achievement, a great discovery that was cell of Robert Hooke. Number 4 is Louis Pasteur. Number 4 is Louis Pasteur. What is the work of Louis Pasteur? He was born in 1822 and died in 1895. Discovered the bacteria as the causes of many diseases like tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, in short form, you also hear that TB, tuberculosis, and bacteria that is cause of many diseases. That bacteria जो हमारे लिए काज बनता है बहुत सारी डिजीज के लिए, उसको डिस्कवर किसने किया? लुइस पास्चर ने. किसने किया? लुइस पास्चर ने. There is the 5th, it means Schleiden and Schwann. Schleiden and Schwann were both brother. Are you getting me, dear student? This is the little bit work of these all scientists. You will listen and also memorize. This is your work. This is your information for your subject biology. So take an interest. I am using these sentences because you have to get the knowledge. If you will get the knowledge, then your subjects will be good. Understand? The Schleiden and Schwann both were the brother. They worked on the detailed structure of plant and animal cell. Finally formulated the cell theory. इन दोनों brothers ने cell की detailed structure पे काम किया, वो plant cell हो या animal cell हो, both cells पे इन्होंने काम किया. और जो theory इन्होंने दी, cell theory भी इन दोनों brothers ने दी, Schleiden and Schwann ने. All other scientists worked, but the formulated theory, the theory is formulated by these two brothers, Mr. Schleiden and the Schwann. E. Jenner, he discovered the method of vaccination against smallpox. Do you know smallpox is the one kind of disease? Have you also heard, and you have, I think you have seen into your lives, and he discovered the vaccination for the smallpox. These were the other biologists, it means the non-Muslim biologists in the field of biology. So scientists has completed and the branches is completed. You got a lot of knowledge about biogenesis, abiogenesis, other factors of the life that is linked with the origination of the life. So our unit number, it means the chapter number 1 is completed. Now it's turned to chapter number 2. So in the lecture number 10, we will meet in the chapter number 2. Understand, dear student? Take care. Goodbye.